Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines essay on Summer Mela Fun Fair. A Summer Mela is a fun fair held during the summer season. People of all ages visit the Mela with their family and friends. There are many colorful shops and stalls. We can see toys, clothes and handicrafts in the Mela. There are many fun rides like swings and giant wheels. Children enjoy games and win small prizes. There are food stalls with tasty snacks and sweets. The Mela is full of music, lights and happiness. It is a good place for entertainment and relaxation. I enjoy visiting the Summer Mela very much. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.